at my fucking speaker.
Okay, so walking alone, guys. I am from the lake town, and I think they are closed already, so I got some time to spend time for myself. It's my day off tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about it. So currently I'm on the way going to the beach, and I will find something to eat. Not so much people here on the mall. Sometimes it's just nice to go walk alone. So I'm currently here. Not so much people right now, but that's fine. Because the Andoks here are 24/7, so maybe I got some food from there. So let's see. It's currently 12. Look at that. Andoks are still open. Question what I'm gonna eat here. I just got some chicken and rice.
Oh, right there.
That? Oh, I'm gone.
No, it's just a wash.
No?
So hi guys, good evening. It's now late, 12:35 a.m. and I am still here in the Andox. So I just ate my midnight snacks, chicken, spicy chicken with the rice and with the Mountain Dew. So I am from the Lake Town actually, but wala na, tapos na yung ano nila doon, yung music. So I just decided to go somewhere else, like here in the Andox Mall. And I want to get some food for my midnight snacks. That's why I am here. So it's actually my day off tomorrow, so I don't want to think na kailangan ko umuwi ng maaga or kailangan ko matulog ng maaga. So yeah, I'm just here chilling. I'll just go on the beach alone, going for a walk in the middle of the night. Actually, it's already 12:36. So let's see. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Hi guys! So currently, I'm here at the front of Cafe del Sol. Just alone. What's this called? I'm just enjoying the view of the beach, the sounds from the Epic bar, and I'm just enjoying the myself time or alone time. So yeah, it's so refreshing because it's relaxed night right now and nobody here. Like it looks like very empty. But there's a little rain, I think. So if it will rain, then I don't have choice but just to go home. So yeah, hopefully it will not continue because I don't want to go on it. I just want to feel the beach vibes and enjoy the moment. Currently 1 AM and dahil guys gusto ko na i-document lahat ng ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. That's why I'm going to update you syempre. So kanina lumabas ako mga nasa 12 na ng gabi after ng duty ko, and then ay naghintay ako sa mga katrabaho ko kasi sabi ko sa kanila lalabas kami tapos maglalakad lang kami doon sa Lake Town. But eventually hindi sila natuloy dahil sabi nila matatapos na daw yung music doon sa Lake Town. So ayun, wala pa rin makapagpigil sa akin kasi sabi ko nga kailangan din naman natin lumabas kahit alone tayo or kahit tayo lang mag-isa. So it's fine to go out. That's why andito ako ngayon sa beach. So the first thing na ginawa ko is doon muna ako guys nagtambay ng mga ilang minutes lang naman siguro. Mga nasa maybe 5 to 10 minutes sa Lake Town until the music stop. So ayun, pumunta ako ng Demol. Kumain lang ako ng chicken, spicy, dukito sa Andox with rice, and then dumiretso na ako dito. So currently guys, medyo maulan, maasaw. Hindi naman ganun kalakas yung ulan, pero okay lang for me kasi nga magda-day off ako bukas. So I have a lot of time and I don't need also to worry kung ano yung gagawin ko bukas or kung kailangan ko ba magising ng ganon na sobrang aga. Let's say for example yung schedule ko will be 5:30 AM, so kailangan kong magising niya ng 5. And if my schedule naman is closing, kailangan ko pumasok ng mga 11 or 12 dyan. So hindi ko siya kailangang i-worry. And since nandito naman na tayo, so itutur ko kayo guys na kahit konti lang. So nandito ako ngayon sa front ng Aria Restaurant. Actually, yan din yung yung favorite place ko kasi dahil sa kape na kanilang siniserve. So, sobrang sarap siya for me because I love coffee. I'm so addict to the coffee. So, dyan, yung pinaka-paborito ko na kape. And then, dito din guys, sa music na yan, dito sa Epic, ayan, maganda siya guys, lalong-lalo na kapag gabi. Hindi mo siya ma-appreciate kapag nasa araw ka pumunta. Lalo kagaya nung mga kakain ka lang ng lunch. So, mas better kapag pumunta ka dyan mga ganitong oras or mga alas 10, basta gabi. Ayan. Maganda yan kasi masaya. Tingnan mo guys, sobrang iba talaga kapag gabi. Ma-appreciate mo na isa siyang bar. So, hindi naman gaano kadami yung tao. Meron ding mga couples na nagde-date. Kagaya lamang yan. Ayan. So, meron sila guys na dalang payong. Ang cute, diba? And then, dito naman sa gilid, sa right side ko, wala ding katao. Meron man naglalakad. Siguro gusto lang nila mag-walking. Mga ganun lang. So, tapos dito naman sa area ko, ako lang din naman mag-isa. Tapos, ayan, yung couples. Beach na din sa front ko. So, parang gagawin ko lang to kasi day off ko bukas. And kahit na anong oras naman ako umuwi, it's okay. Kasi meron naman akong susi, hindi ko problemahin na baka hindi ako makapasok. So, it's fine. Yung problema ko lang is yung sa main door. Kasi sobrang nahihirapan ako na bumukas ng main door. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi lang ako marunong magbukas ng main door doon sa staff house. So, yeah, hopefully hindi ako problema mamaya pagdating ko and bukas pa rin yung main door namin.